Next, I'll show you how to set up a new user. If you're a supervisor, you'll be able to go into the settings menu, press setup, and add edit profile. In this case, we're going to add a new profile. At this point, you can choose whether it's going to be an operator or a supervisor. If you create a new supervisor, they too will have the ability to set up new operators. In this case, I'll just set up a new operator. Let's give the operator a name. Let's say that the operator's name is Sam. Then we'll need to give Sam an operator ID, for instance, 456. This page here is how we give Sam permissions. If we decide that Sam should only have access to the presets and not have the ability to adjust water and downflow, then we can give him only access to those presets and not water and downflow. You may want to also give Sam access to tutorial videos so that he can troubleshoot on the fly, give him access to the SE switch and quiet mode. Then press save. If we log out and log back in as Sam, you'll see that Sam now has reduced access. You can see Sam cannot adjust the down pressure, he can't adjust the water flow, and he doesn't have the ability to adjust the speed. He only has access to the presets that we created. If you decide later on that Sam has become a more confident operator, you can always go back in and edit Sam's profile. These features are available on all of our ProPanel machines from T300 to the M20. We hope this video has been helpful and you'll be able to make better use of your ProPanel machine.